Hello, good morning guys, it is your boy AJ here, starting the vlog up inside my car already because we are rushing. It is already, what time is it, bruh? Because I woke up at 7 o'clock and I'm gonna be late. And it's already 7:45. I hope I'm not late. What the hell? A girlie I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A girlie is a cutie I can turn into my wife. Boy, I come into class seeing this.
8 false, 9 true, 10 true, 11 true, 12 false, 13.
Trump to take us support.
Twain Johnson. He has 2 names.
Oh, that's a good one. Gavin, that was a good one. Hold on. Khalil is asleep, dog. He is knocked out. Oos in.
I know some of you did not get it done, but some of you are really working on it.
2 twins. You freaking clown. Fill it up. No. I swear, if you dump all that, you're not giving it to nothing. You're wasting Mother Nature. Oh, that's cool. You freaking clown! Oh my god. Let's get out of here. Wait, we don't need a belt? What? You're clowning. You hear this guy? He said we don't need a belt.
Okay.
Do your shoes match your eyes? No. What do you mean checking you out?
You just stared me down.
No, I didn't. I looked at your shoes in your eyes. That was a good one. Recording already, I think. You're crazy, Blake! Blake, you're crazy! We're going outside as a bee. That's crazy. I'll throw a rock at it later. Oh, Miss Kim, you see the beehive?
You can see it from here. Look at that. Oh! They're killing the queen.
Overnight.
Holy macaroni. They're killing the queen. That is crazy.
It's not bigger than what? It's not bigger than the thing I have. Go. Oh, Miss Kim! Miss Kim, watch out, Miss Kim. Miss Kim. Stop doing this for the Instagram, Miss Kim. Where is our class? It's been 10 minutes after the bell.
That's like your brand, dude.
Do you fit size 11?
Alright, let's just wait.
7.5 for you.
Wait, what am I actually waiting for?
Whoa, where'd you find that?
I totally forgot who's picking me up. Yo, what happened to all the bees? Oh my goodness, there's still some, but I skipped. Alright, currently waiting in the car right now for my dad. He wants to go get something in here over in Chocolate. I'm tired though, but whatever, dog. I still gonna put that work in. I'll see you guys when I get home or something. Okay, so now this vlog was really short. It was like 4 minutes or like somewhere around there, like 4 or something minutes. But yeah, this vlog was short. It's unedited because most of the clips were small and most of them were funny too. Of us just being stupid and funny at the same time, but whatever. And yeah, and another reason is why I didn't upload yesterday is because there were some issues going on with YouTube and me with that video, and some other things too with that video. So I'm not gonna go really into it, but I will make a long vlog tomorrow, make it funny and whatever. And yeah, whatever you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and peace.